Welcome, this is Mr. Trujillo. Welcome to 8th grade student conferences. Uh, Welcome to my class. This page is for your information. This is you can send me an email. And to tell you the truth, Google Voice text are a little bit faster for us to communicate. I can get the text right away because emails, I just open them, towards the end of the day, and I get a lot of emails. So if you wanna send me a quick message, use the Google Voice text so you can communicate with me. This is an image that comes from their application Clever. They use Clever to go into my class, and they can go, besides going into my class, they can also look at their grades through PowerSchool. So PowerSchool is where they can see their grades in a very quick manner. Once they click Schoology, they will go into something like this. And if they click on conferences, that's how they access my meetings, the meetings. And then on the right right hand side, you can see the folders they use to access the activities that we're going to be working with for the day. Uh, Once they go into the meeting, if it's a regular class, periods 1 or 2, they will see something like this with instructions as to what to do. And then on the right hand side, you will see something they would see on third period when we meet for asynchronous time. And as you can see, asynchronous time is time for them to make up any work. What I tell them all the time is for them to check their grades. That's the easiest way for them to know what they're missing, and so they can work on those assignments. So I tell them to look at the grades, to work on the assignments that are due already. And this is a list of all the grades from week 20, 21, and week 22. So that's basically what we do in third periods. It's makeup time or tutoring time if there is that need for that. Okay, this is an example of the notes they take. So it's very key that students have a notebook and pencils ready for them to be able to follow the notes. I give them a chance to write the notes, or they can also take a picture and finish the notes, at their own time or whenever they have more time. I always tell them to make sure they write the notes so they can remember everything better. And this on the left hand side, you can see an example of the type of work that we complete. This is something that goes with our current unit. This is just a glance of our unit that we're doing right now. So right now we're towards somewhere towards the middle. So it's very key that they keep up with everything because every unit is making a reference to the past units. So they make sure that everything is completed so they can follow up with future units or future lessons. So this is just so you know that I do have office hours and tutoring on Wednesdays from 2:30 to 3:30 in the Google Classroom that is called Math Training Room, right? I offer homework help or any other type of help. I'm also available by appointment. If they text me to the number I provided, you can contact me so we can arrange something for another meeting besides that time. So right here you see right now this is Power School, and you have the current assignments. Starting from the top is the most recent one, and if you go down you will see the one like the first one for this semester too, which was on week 20. So they need to complete all of these assignments for them to have a good grade in my class. As you can see, there are three different colors. You see, one is for process, one is for participation, and one is for assessments. So the grade is a combination of all those three. Okay, so students need to keep up with everything. Okay, so lastly, this is the last page. You have a reflection form where students need to reflect on their grades, right? And the one on the left, they do it by themselves. It's a reflection on their own, which you have to read with them, and then together with your student, you should be able to fill the second page, the one on the right. That is going to be turned in, and we are going to collect this information towards the end of the week of the Student Net Conferences week. Please, if you have any questions, please go ahead and reach out to me at the email or the phone number that I have provided. Thank you so much for your time.